Sorry HSI, alam ko 4-4 pa ang release nito at dapat hindi ko pa siya gagawa ng video. Pero guys, super excited na ako i-share sa inyo ang amoy ng mga new releases ng HSI. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's review this. Just a quick reminder, hindi pa ito yung final review ko. Hindi ko pa masasabi ang performance nila. But here are the sense of the HSI new releases. So, umpisahan natin yung video na to sa pinaka-excited akong buksan. This one is Afternoon Swim by HSI. As in, guys, nung natry ko to sa skip session namin kahapon, I was like, holy crap. If hindi nyo lang alam, guys, I'm really into citrus fragrances. And Afternoon Swim is a heavy citrus or citrus heavy fragrance. It's more of an orange scent, orange with ginger. So, nga, yung scent kasi niya, guys, is straight up orange. As in, ganun yung amoy niya. It reminds me a lot of Tiger. But this one is much smoother, mas gentle lang siya. So yeah, I really like the scent of Afternoon Swim ng HSI. This one is one of my favorite last sniff session. Yeah, I'm so in love with this one. Like, no shit, kahapon nung trinay ko to, pagkaamoy ko sa kanya, tumayo balahibo ko, as in, nakita na lang lahat guys, tumayo balahibo ko nung naamoy ko to. Ganito siya kaganda. As in, chef's kiss pare. Ang ganda pang daily, ang ganda pang balagbagan. Basta, I'm in love with this one, promise. Sunod naman agad natin guys would be Elysium. This one is inspired of the Roja Elysium. So, let's see kung ano nga ba kami nito. Since wala akong idea, hindi ko siya trinay. And wala rin ako idea sa smell ng isang OG na Roja Elysium. So, saan nilagay dito? Dito. Okay, good. Okay. Citrus fragrance din siya. Pero it's more like a citrus green scent. Medyo amoy synthetic siya, to be honest. Amoy gamot, kung sasabihin natin. It is a citrusy, citrusy woody scent. Yeah, I'm into citrus fragrance, but I guess this is not for me. Pass on this one. Okay, so update about the Elysium. Habang tumatagal, when it dries down, it became something sweet, woody, citrus fragrance. It's growing into me. Okay na rin. It's too manly lang talaga, but okay siya. Isunod agad natin guys si Most Wanted. This one is supposed to be inspired of the Most Wanted EDP, right? Kasi Most Wanted siya eh. And hindi naman siya the Most Wanted perfume. So let's see kung ano nga bang amoy nito. Sabi nung isang na-interview ko, fresh daw siya. So na-curious ako kasi the Most Wanted is supposed to smell like stronger with intensity. So hindi dapat siya fresh, right? Oh! Okay. I think hindi siya the Most Wanted EDP. It's more of the Most Wanted perfume. Andun yung pagiging grape juice scent niya. Yes. This is the Most Wanted. Hindi siya the Most Wanted EDP. The Most Wanted perfume. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, so lumalabas yung pagiging parang the Most Wanted EDP niya. It transformed into this floral gourmand scent. Yeah, I think this is the Most Wanted perfume, but I'm not sure yet. So, yeah, I guess the Most Wanted perfume siya or the Most Wanted EDP. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. Okay, ito yung masabi ko. Hindi siya close sa isang EDP or sa perfume, pero para siyang pinaghalong EDP at perfume. That's how I can explain it. Babonga siya, yes, pero hindi siya close sa mga OG. Okay, so down to the last two, and next natin guys is si Dior Homme Intense. Let's see kung pwede na ba siyang budget-friendly DH Intense. Saan na ako pwede maglagay? Sumisipa. Okay siya, men. I'm telling you, this one is okay. I won't say this one is the closest, pero kuhang-kuha niya yung pagiging lipsticky iris vibes eh. Kung ano yung scent ng isang Dior Homme Intense, kuha niya tol eh. Kuha niya, hindi siya watered down, hindi siya toned down. But yeah, it's there. Unang amoy mo pa lang, alam mo na agad na Dior Homme Intense siya. Pero syempre, last but not the least, would be the Eros Energy of HSI. Guys, sa wakas, meron na rin Eros Energy inspired. But I think sobrang dali lang niya gayahin. Since technically, it is an Aventus clone. So, wait lang. Wala na tayong parts ng katawan na pwedeng nilagyan. So, dito na lang tayo. Shout out kay Agnes. Yep. Okay, so na-try namin to kahapon kasi pinag-compare namin siya sa Eros Energy. So far, yes, got it. But this one, it's much more heavy sa wood scent compared sa OG na Eros Energy that is very heavy on citrus and pineapple. Siya, andun yung essence sa Eros Energy. It smells like Aventus. It actually smells like the Aventus Gold na HSI. So, yeah, so far it's good. Citrus fragrance again, so good. Okay, so out of all these 5 on my first batch, pinaka-favorite ko talaga would be Afternoon Swim. Afternoon Swim is the best out of these 5. Pinaka-least favorite ko siguro si Roger Elysium, but hey, it's kinda love it and hate it relationship. Pero okay din naman siya, sadyang 50-50 ako, kumbaga. Anyways, I have 15 more sets from the HSI Motivational New Releases. So if you wanna watch that, guys, please leave a like and follow kung di ka pa naka-follow. Yun lang, guys. Bye-bye.